Hello students, I am Arun Bhange. Again I am giving some type of ideas, some type of basic principles related with this chemistry part. The chemistry part, the basic chemistry part is essential. You are giving NEET exams, you are giving now any type of other exams. Some type of organic concepts are important to attempt mechanism, to do some reactions, to write some reactions. Here in organic chemistry, CH3 bond dot CH3, bond CH3 or dot dot CH3. CH3 dot dot CH3, it means that by sharing pair of electron, such type of bond is possible, covalent bond is possible. Here 6 covalent bonds are there. 3 covalent bonds are in between C and H. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, here 3, here 3 and here 1. With respect to this, when we conclude or we represent any chemical reaction, you must give an idea about free radicals. Free radicals, it is our today's point. Free radicals in organic chemistry. With respect to free radicals, so many reactions are going on. So many reactions are to be represented with respect to free radicals. It means that is Wurtz reaction, it is related with free radical. Wurtz reaction part is a free radical reaction. Again, some type of another anti-Markovnikov rule reaction, it is also one of the chemical reaction. These chemical reactions understand by this free radical. Free radical means what? Free radical means atom or group of atoms, atom or group of atoms containing unpaired electrons or odd electrons. Unpaired electrons or odd electrons. Unpaired electron means there is a pair. Suppose we are taking methane, CH, H, H and EH. I am giving you only one pair here. All the pairs are similar. If the homolytic fission takes place, homolytic fission takes place, it means one electron with hydrogen and one electron with carbon, breaking of bond takes place. Bond breaks homolytically, means the covalent bond breaking takes place. By breaking of covalent bond, carbon concludes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, means odd number of electrons are present around this carbon, and it is one of the free radical known as methyl free radical. And hydrogen with respect to one electron, hydrogen with respect to one electron goes away from this by homolytic fission. Not heterolytic, it is homolytic. Heterolytic means unequal distribution. Homolytic means what? Equal distribution. So many examples are there. So many examples. This is methyl free radical, then hydrogen free radical, then chlorine free radical. If you are having benzoic acid, आपने बेंजोइक एसिड लिया C6H5 C डबल बॉन्ड O H, यहाँ पर होमोलिटिक फिशन हुआ तो डॉट यहाँ पर आएगा, डॉट यहाँ पर आएगा. ये बेंजोलॉक्सी फ्री रेडिकल बनेगा, बेंजोलॉक्सी फ्री रेडिकल. इट मीन्स फ्री रेडिकल फॉर्मेशन इज अ सिंपल प्रोसेस. सी दिस ब्रेकिंग. यस, वी विल कंटिन्यू अगेन. Yes, now we are going towards free radical, how it is to be formed. Then these free radical require some amount of high energy, means ultraviolet energy or visible light or sunlight, which is essential to form free radical. Suppose we are taking first CH3 bond CH2 bond H. You know, it is ethane. When this ethane homolytic fission takes place, it gives ethyl free radical CH3 bond CH2 dot plus H dot. Ethyl free radical. This ethyl free radical is a primary free radical. Primary free radical, it requires 97 kilocalories of energy to break this type of bond. It is 1 degree free radical. 1 degree free radical. Free radical means this free radical containing carbon, unpaired electron containing carbon connected with one carbon only. ये अगर एक ही कार्बन को कनेक्ट हुआ तो उसको आप बोलोगे प्राइमरी फ्री रेडिकल. अभी प्राइमरी के बाद क्या आएगा? सेकेंडरी फ्री रेडिकल. सेकेंडरी फ्री रेडिकल में एग्जांपल लेंगे आप. इट इज़ वन ऑफ द CH3, C bond CH3 and H and H. It is one of the propane structure. Propane structure. In this propane structure, if homolytic fission takes place here or here, it requires some amount of less amount of energy, that is 94 kilocalories. 94 kilocalories amount of energy is required in the form of sunlight, in the form of ultraviolet light, such type of energy which is essential to break a chemical bond. Covalent bond breaking is an essential process. Formation of CH3 bond C CH3 dot H. It is a 2 degree secondary free radical. Secondary free radical. Secondary free radical, and this secondary free radical and primary free radical. This carbon consists of 2 carbon atoms. Another 2 carbon bonded with another 2 carbon atoms. This and this. It is a covalent bond. This is secondary free radical. Why we are classifying such type of secondary free radical, primary free radical, now tertiary free radical? Third point, CH3 bond C, CH3 bond CH3 H. It is butane, 1, 2, 3, 4, butane structure. In this such type of butane part, one carbon connected with other 3 carbons with respect to their CH3. It requires another very less amount of energy. 91 kilocalories of energy is required to give CH3 bond C dot CH3 CH3. It is tertiary 1, 2, 3, 4 tertiary butyl free radical. Tertiary free radical, it is 3 degree free radical. Free radical. Tertiary free radical. Here plus H dot. Here plus H dot. This is formation of free radical with respect to their primary, secondary, tertiary. You know that if it is for aliphatic part, we are going to aromatic part. इसमें aromatic भी होता है भैया. Aromatic में भी free radical होता है. Aromatic means consisting one of the benzene ring. According to your syllabus, benzene ring related, if benzene ring is connected with another carbon, we are taking such type of structure. Do you know this structure? Double bond, alternate double bond, and CH3. This is one of the organic compound. I think it is toluene, CH3. When homolytic fission takes place here, here or here, it gives benzyl free radical. It gives benzyl free radical. Benzyl free radical means what? Benzyl free radical. ये CH2 dot plus H dot. It is a benzyl free radical. Benzyl free radical. Free radical. It means the free radical formation related with homolytic fission, and free radical is a most important thing to decide chemistry reactions. Free radicals has a type of characteristic. Simple characteristic purpose is there. Characteristics are also important. We are going towards characteristic part. We are continuously studying a mechanism part, and before start to mechanism, such type of free radicals, then another also nucleophiles, electrophiles, so many types of simple reacting material is there in organic chemistry. With respect to that, we can conclude our chemical reaction. We can fix up our chemical reactions. Characteristics. Characteristics of free radicals. What are characteristics? The first characteristic is free radicals are electrically neutral. Cannot consist of negative charge or positive charge. Only dot is there. Free radicals are electrically neutral. Free radicals are electrically neutral. It means that number of cations and anions are essential. Positive and negative charged particles are essential to flow electricity by cathode and anode electrodes through this. Means free electrons are essential in a solid part, or cathode or anode related with flow of electron in this through this solid rod or to this electrical plate. Free electrons are essential, but here free electrons are not there. It is electrically neutral. And it is highly unstable, क्योंकि वो पेयर नहीं है ना. विदाउट पेयर कोई भी हाईली अनस्टेबल होता है. पेयर नहीं है ना, हाईली अनस्टेबल. हाईली अनस्टेबल का मतलब है ये CH4 है बेटा, C बॉन्ड H बॉन्ड H बॉन्ड H बॉन्ड H. संसार पूरा अच्छा चल रहा है इनका. टोटली पेयर्ड. फोर पेयर्स आर देयर, 4 bonds are there. Means 1 2 3 4. Conclude that C H one pair get disturbed. Observe this. One pair get disturbed means, one pair get disturbed means it is highly unstable. Means every free radical try to form a pair, try to form a bond. Means either here 7 electrons around carbon, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 electrons around carbon free radical, or odd number of free electrons are present around an atom. Odd number means one of the electron which is always present in odd number, having no pair at all. It is our odd number containing and 7 electron carbon free radicals. Carbon free radical consists of odd number or 7 electrons. And next characteristic, highly reactive and short lived. Highly reactive, short lived, विदाउट पेयर कोई बहुत दिन नहीं रहेगा. शॉर्ट लिव्ड है, हाईली रिएक्टिव है, रिएक्शन में सहभाग उसका ज़्यादा है. wanted to form a pair, odd number of electron gives a pair formation. Pair formation is essential part. Yes, it is one of the characteristics, so many characteristics. One of the characteristic which gives number of free radicals are electrically neutral, free radicals are highly unstable, highly reactive, short lived, quickly forms a pair. Carbon free radical consists of 7 electrons around it. Odd number of electrons are essential to form a free radical. Okay. अभी free radical related with some type of reactions. Reactions only related with free radical. Reactions क्या होते हैं? It means types of reactions related with free radical. The first first reaction, that is mutual combination of free radical. If you are taking mutual combination CH3 डॉट के साथ CH3 डॉट का कॉम्बिनेशन आप कर रहे हो, म्यूचुअल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ CH3 म्यूचुअल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ Cl डॉट म्यूचुअल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ C2H5 डॉट एंड C2H5 डॉट, mutual combination of H dot plus H dot. These are mutual combinations. First point is mutual combination takes place. Mutual combination, similar free radical. Mutual combination. With respect to this mutual combination, it gives CH3 bond CH3 stable. Highly unstable, more stable. Highly unstable, more stable. Highly unstable तड़प रहा है, इसकी तड़प होगी कन्वर्जन मॉलिक्यूल में, ये भी कन्वर्ट होगा C2H5 बॉन्ड C2H5 ब्यूटेन में होगा, ये भी ब्यूटेन में कन्वर्ट होगा, ये भी कन्वर्ट होगा H2, मीन्स दे आर हाईली अनस्टेबल, म्यूचुअली कंबाइंड टू फॉर्म अ न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल. ये न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्म करेगा. म्यूचुअल कम्बिनेशन ऑफ फ्री रेडिकल गिव्स न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल. म्यूचुअल कम्बिनेशन ऑफ फ्री रेडिकल इज अवर फर्स्ट. ओके, म्यूचुअल कॉम्बिनेशन. ओके, नेक्स्ट second reaction, we are giving idea about free radical, how free radicals are formed, what are characteristics of free radical, what are the reactions related with free radical. Any reaction which will be coming to you, free radical when mutually combined with each other give neutral molecule. Yes, you are having one neutral molecule, आपके पास एक neutral molecule है. Second, it is a neutral molecule. CH4 is not free radical, neither free radical or nor any type of odd number containing carbon. It is a neutral molecule. Neutral molecule reacts with Cl dot, free radical. Free radical and neutral molecule. Neutral molecule. Neutral molecule and free radical when combined with each other. This gives another new free radical. CH3 dot plus HCl. Here free radical Cl dot converted into HCl, but the CH4 neutral molecule converted into this free radical. एक free radical दूसरे free radical को जन्म देगा. One free radical gives another free radical by combining with each other with neutral molecule. ये भी है, ये भी एक प्रकार की रिएक्शन है, ये भी एक प्रकार का फॉर्म है. एक न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल, एक फ्री रेडिकल, दूसरा फ्री रेडिकल जन्म लेगा, ये कन्वर्ट होगा. ये भी रिएक्शन आपके सामने बार बार आएंगे. अच्छा, ये एक बात और है, थर्ड रिएक्शन मैं आपको बोलूँगा, एकदम परफेक्ट. CH3 डबल बॉन्ड O, ये ना C डबल बॉन्ड O बॉन्ड, ये है, ये एक फ्री रेडिकल है. CH3COO डॉट, ये जो फ्री रेडिकल मैंने आपको बताया था, बेंजालॉक्सी बताया था मैंने आपको, ये बेंजालॉक्सी नहीं है, ये है इथलॉक्सी. ये जो फ्री रेडिकल है, ये फ्री रेडिकल जब भी कंबाइन करेगा, फ्री रेडिकल रिएक्ट करेगा. रिएक्शन में कभी कभी न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल में कन्वर्ट हो सकता है. वन न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल which is to be formed. ये न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल बनेगा CO2 और ये अपने आप CH3 डॉट बनेगा. ये है फ्री रेडिकल. फ्री रेडिकल गिव्स न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल एंड अनदर न्यू फ्री रेडिकल. It is also one type of reaction. Free radical gives neutral molecule and new free radical. It is also one type of part. In this next part, free radicals are paramagnetic. Paramagnetic related with in the magnetic field. Unpaired electrons are essential for magnetic field. Unpaired electrons are there when through magnetic field such type of compound free radical passes, they get attracted towards magnetic field. They get disturbed in the magnetic field. It is also one of the part. Paramagnetic nature. Free radicals are paramagnetic in nature. Paramagnetic nature related with number of free radicals. For formation of free radical, ये visible light, sunlight, ultraviolet light is essential, or in this gaseous phase is also essential, or in the presence of peroxide it is also. Free radicals, the tertiary free radical मैंने आपको बताया था, tertiary free radical is more stable than secondary than primary. Tertiary free radical बहुत stable होते हैं. Tertiary free radical, that is CH3, one carbon consisting other 3 carbon, CH3 dot. It is a tertiary free radical. This tertiary free radical is stable than CH3 dot CH dot CH3. It is secondary free radical, and CH3 CH3 dot, it is 1 degree free radical, it is 2 degree free radical, it is 3 degree free radical, it is more stable. फ्री रेडिकल की स्टेबिलिटी भी है, डिपेंड है, स्टेबिलिटी भी को भी आप बोलोगे. प्राइमरी फ्री रेडिकल और ओनली फ्री रेडिकल, ये भी फ्री रेडिकल आपको बनेगा CH डॉट, ये भी मोर स्टेबल, इससे ज़्यादा ये, इससे ज़्यादा ये, इससे ज़्यादा ये. दीज आर फ्री रेडिकल्स रिलेटेड विथ decrease in the order of stability, tertiary, secondary, primary, etc. Suppose you are taking benzyl free radical. Benzyl free radical means to the benzene ring, some type of benzene ring structure is there. It is structure of benzene, ये डबल बॉन्ड है, ये डबल बॉन्ड है, ये डबल बॉन्ड है, ये CH2 डॉट है, CH2 डॉट. This electrons enters into this body. Here double bond which is to be formed. When here double bond is formed, जब यहाँ पर double bond बनेगा तो ये shift होगा double bond इधर. ये resonating structure continuously ring को resonate करेगा. It means double bond containing carbon को अगर free radical attach करता है तो फिर रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर बनता है. रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर मीन्स इट इज़ टू बी स्टेबलाइज्ड, मीन्स स्ट्रक्चर गेट चेंजेस. अभी स्ट्रक्चर चेंज होगा, ये डॉट यहाँ पर आएगा, दिस डॉट शिफ्टेड टू दिस. चलो भैया, ये डॉट शिफ्ट कैसे होता है? डॉट शिफ्टिंग पार्ट आपको इसेंशियल यहाँ पर आएगा, यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड CH2 होगा. दिस कार्बन बिकम स्टेबल, 2 and 2 4. दिस कार्बन 1 2 3 4. दिस कार्बन कंटेनिंग ओनली 1 2. ये डबल बॉन्ड नहीं है यहाँ पे, ये अनस्टेबल कार्बन है. यहाँ पर डबल बॉन्ड है, यहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन होता है, आपको मालूम है. यहाँ पर भी एक हाइड्रोजन होता है, ओनली 3 बॉन्ड्स आर देयर. यहाँ पर भी एक हाइड्रोजन है, 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 मगर यहाँ पे डॉट आ गया क्योंकि 1 2 3 बॉन्ड्स आर देयर. दिस डॉट गेट शिफ्टेड, अगेन दिस डॉट converted into double bond converted into dot, means it is a resonating structure. By resonating structure, free radical becomes stable. Free radical mutually combine with each other. Free radical plus neutral molecule, new free radical is formed. Free radical gives a neutral molecule and new free radical. Free radicals are paramagnetic. Free radical formation is related with UV light. So many types of free radical mechanism is related with your chapter, with your organic chemistry mechanism. Yes, it is the short video about free radical. We will continue free radical mechanism or examples by taking free radical property, how chemical reaction takes place. Bye bye. Arun Bhange, Parmani.